Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start inside Chrome, open the app and make sure you're in the profile you want to change. Once in, tap the three-dot menu at the top right to access settings. This is where default behavior is defined. Scroll until you see search engine listed, often under Basics or Privacy and Services. You need this screen to proceed because Chrome lists available engines and the active one here. Make sure mobile data or Wi-Fi is on, so any newly added engine. Now tap Search Engine to view built-in choices such as Google, Bing, or DuckDuckGo. This menu shows what Chrome can switch to instantly. If your preferred engine isn't listed, open its homepage in Chrome first. Loading the site often triggers an add option back in Settings. Once you see the engine listed, select it. Chrome applies the change immediately for Omnibox searches. Remember, this affects only the current profile, so repeat for other profiles if necessary. Finish by testing the Omnibox. Type a simple query and confirm results come from the new engine. If Chrome still shows the old provider, clear app cache from Android settings, force close Chrome, then reopen and reselect the engine. This resets stored configurations. If problems persist, check that extensions or site permissions aren't blocking redirects, and ensure the search provider's site was visited so Chrome can register it. If necessary, update Chrome via Play Store and try again.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.